Understanding the phrase, draw a card, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, draw a card. This phrase pops up in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can be really helpful for English language learners. Let's get started. Firstly, let's explore the literal meaning of draw a card. This phrase is most commonly used in the context of card games. To draw a card means to take a card from the top of a deck, usually without looking at it beforehand. This action is a fundamental part of many card games. For instance, in games like poker or blackjack, players routinely draw cards during the game. But draw a card isn't limited to just the world of card games. The phrase can also be used metaphorically in various situations. For example, in business or life, if someone says they need to draw a card, it might mean they need to take a chance or make a random choice without knowing the outcome in advance. It's similar to taking a risk or dealing with the unknown. Now, how do you use draw a card in everyday conversation? It's often used when talking about games, obviously, but you might also hear it in more casual or informal settings. Someone might say, "I guess I'll just have to draw a card and see what happens," indicating they're about to take a risk or make a spontaneous decision. In some cultures, drawing a card can also have specific cultural meanings. For instance, in some tarot card readings, drawing a card can imply seeking guidance or answers about the future. It's fascinating to see how this phrase adapts and changes depending on the context. And that's a wrap on draw a card. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its various uses in English. Whether you're playing a card game or making life decisions, now you know what this phrase means and how to use it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful.